every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to the 206... I'm telling you guys, these numbers are becoming ridiculous. 275th day of my challenge where I'm gonna try a recipe which one of you suggested. Matthew asked me a long time ago to try mango smoothie. I loved his suggestion because this recipe has 4 ingredients, which is great. It means it will be a quick, short and sweet recipe today. And the only thing I want to mention is the milk, which the original recipe calls for non-fat milk, which I don't really ever buy, and we're gonna use how much? Such a minuscule amount, 1/4 of a cup. I was like, how bad can it be if I use regular milk? I don't think there will be any difference, so that's what I'm gonna use today. And if you're curious to see how it goes, trying out this recipe for the very first time and how this mango smoothie turns out, thank you for watching. We're gonna need 180 grams of frozen mango, thawed for an hour, half of a ripe banana, 60 grams of vanilla yogurt, and 1/4 cup of milk. God, will I enjoy it in like a second. I'm not even tying my hair, there's no point to that. So into a blender, I'm gonna add everything you just pretty much saw. Mangoes, banana, milk, and the yogurt, and blend away. That's it.